everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Aqualogica sunscreens and what are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product. So the main topic of today is going to be Glow Dewy Sunscreen from Aqualogica. I'm going to break down all the ingredients present in this formulation because it's a bestseller product. I went through the whole ingredient list, okay? I was so amazed by the ingredient list. It's a hybrid sunscreen. So it's with chemical filters, it's with mineral filters. So I'm going to be talking about it in detail and I'm going to be telling you if this product is worth purchasing. Actually, I was going through the deals of this Aqualogica company. I see that the single pack 50 grams come in 449 rupees. The single pack 80 grams comes in 599 rupees, and then 2 packs, that is 50 grams each, that comes for 763 rupees. That's so cool, yeah? Come on, it's such a good deal in Aqualogica, website. If you really want it, you're gonna purchase it and then it's gonna come and drop at your place. I'm really, sad that I just don't have the product with me right now to show you how is the formulation, but I can talk about the chemical and the ingredients present in it so that you can understand how is the formulation working. As I live in abroad, I can't purchase the product and always talk about Indian product, but if I have that Indian product, I do make sure that I show you the consistency, that I show you the formulation, how it feels on my skin. But Aqualogica, I'm just gonna talk about the ingredients in this video. So in the description below, I have mentioned all the links where you can purchase this product and also the links for other stuff. So if you're interested, please do check out the description because every detail is in the description. All right, without any further ado, let's just jump into the ingredient list now. The first ingredient is water. Then after that comes a chemical filter. Now chemical filters are very dangerous for the sensitive skin type, even for the kids who are under 5 years old. So you need to be very careful when you are making a hybrid sunscreen which has chemical filters as well as mineral filters. Hybrid sunscreens are okay for, let's say, normal skin types and also for the skin of color people who have healthy skin barrier. But if you are sensitive skin type, I would tell you or suggest you to stick more towards the mineral sunscreens than the hybrid or chemical sunscreen, because chemical filters are not really well tolerated by sensitive skin type. Here there is ethyl hexyl methoxycinnamate, and this ingredient is a chemical filter. It's in a higher percentage, so it's making more of a concentration of the ingredient. And there is also here titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Those are the mineral filters. Chemical filter also, it's known as Suncat because the name for the ethyl hexyl methoxycinnamate is Suncat. This is what it is known as. But this ingredient Suncat is exactly for the UVA UVB protection. UVA, UVB and UVC. UVC don't even touch the surface, but UVA and UVB are the major culprit. Okay, UVA destroys the collagen and that gives a rigid shape to the skin. Okay, so it can lead to aging, and UVB can lead to hyperpigmentation, and also UVA because it can sometimes trigger the melanocytes. So getting a protection against UVA and UVB is a top priority, and here this sunscreen does a very good job at it. Then there is butyl methoxy dibenzoyl methane. This is also a filter, chemical filter. Usually I'm seeing in hybrid sunscreens, when there are high amount or high concentration of chemical filters, it doesn't leave a white cast. Very little amount of zinc oxide, because zinc oxide is a major culprit of leaving that white cast, and usually in the darker skin type, zinc oxide just stands out. It's like a powder that's been applied. I do see that here there are different plant derived extract, there is aloe vera leaf extract which helps with healing of the skin, soothing of the skin, and also helps with the overall complexion. Then there is blueberry fruit extract. It acts as an exfoliant and it's high in antioxidant properties, so it's excellent for getting rid of the free radicals. There is also grapefruit extract. Now grapefruit extract is actually, that gives a citrusy smell, so it might have a little bit of a touch of citrusy smell. Then there is papaya fruit extract. Now this particular ingredient is rated as the worst ingredient in the skincare because it's an irritant. It has a smell and it can lead to, redness, or it can lead to problems in the sensitive skin type. So that's why I was saying that if you have sensitive skin, so you better not use this formulation. I do see that there is ceramide 11 in their formulation. This ceramide 11 helps with, holding two skin cells together. So it helps with the overall, skin barrier functioning. It also has vitamin C. Now, the sunscreen with vitamin C is a very good blend. It has E-ascorbic acid, that is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. It's a type of ascorbic acid and it is very stable in presence of light, and it's really good when you apply it with, a sunscreen formulation or ingredients. Vitamin C is very fraction of a percent here. It's in the end of the ingredient list, so it's not like making too much of the formulation. So I don't know how much will the vitamin C work, but it is in a very less percentage, so it can have some effect in reducing the pigmentation mark, in reducing the fine lines, and also acting as an antioxidant to removing the free radicals, which can lead to aging. Then there is allantoin, which is acting as a soothing agent for the skin, but it's also in very less of a percentage. All right, so looking at this whole formulation, I think that the Aqualogica came up with Glow plus Dewy Sunscreen and everything. It's just dewy because it has different plant-based ingredient which gives it nice shine, like a glow, and it is not leaving any white cast because it is formulated with chemical and mineral filters, because it's a hybrid sunscreen. So it might be really good choice for the skin of color people who would like a sunscreen for their healthy skin, just to protect their skin from the UV radiations. The downside about this formulation is the papaya fruit extract. Rest all are really good. I like the formulation. I like how it's well formulated. The papaya fruit extract is just, because maybe they made that, yellow bottle. So they wanted it to be looking like, a bit flavorful, kind of a, luxury feel that they wanted. So they maybe added this papaya fruit extract. But if they remove this will be a really good choice for most of the skin types. Papaya fruit extract can be irritant and it can even lead to clogging of the pores. There hasn't been a lot of study on the papaya fruit extract, so that's why maybe it doesn't have been studied how safe it can be on the skin types and different skin types. So I don't think papaya fruit extract was really necessary for this formulation, just to make it a little bit flavorful, because they also have some watermelon fruit ingredient. They have different types of sunscreen actually, but this one is a bestseller. So papaya fruit extract should be removed, and that will be a really good formulation. Aqualogica, very good sunscreen, but because of one ingredient, it's just killing the whole formulation. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can of course write down in the comment section below. Also reach out to me on my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram page, and also subscribe to my channel here. This helps me as a YouTuber to grow. So I'm gonna see you soon in another video, and make sure that you write me what video should I make next in the comment section below. I'll see you soon. Take care and bye.